Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to this episode of the Daily Detail Tip. I'm going to try to get back to my roots and keep these under a minute. So one thing I wanted to talk about today that you probably already saw by the title is hands down one of the best. I'm very hesitant to say the best, but definitely top 3 best spray waxes for durability, gloss, slickness, price, kind of every category. Best spray wax, coating maintenance spray even works flawlessly on top of coatings that I've ever used, and I think this is going to come to a big shock of a lot of people, is in fact, you'll know it if you follow my YouTube channel, the Turtle Wax Ice spray line. So their ice spray wax and their ice seal and shine. It's crazy because the ice spray wax is a better water sheeter and the ice seal and shine is a better water beater. And then they even both work together. So if you're looking for something cheap, they both run about $5 between Amazon, Walmart, whatever. AutoZone, your local auto parts store. You can get them both under about $5 each, usually if you shop a little bit. So if you haven't tried it, don't be afraid. Don't be ashamed of using Turtle Wax. It's cool. This is not sponsored at all. But Turtle Wax, the ice line, has been my go-to as of late. That's today's daily detail tip. Don't forget, this Thursday, we have a webinar at 4 p.m. Pacific with Pete and myself. You can join by going to autodetailinglivestream.com. That's autodetailinglivestream.com, and make sure you get signed up. Or if you're on your phone and don't want to go to a website, you can text this number. It's 562-606-0009. 562-606-0009. You can text that number, and you will get all signed up for the autodetailinglivestream.com. See you there.